In this video, let's learn how to talk to a PDF using ChatGPT and LangChain. All right, so to talk to a PDF using LangChain and ChatGPT, first we have to install a few dependencies. We have the LangChain framework, PyPDF for loading PDFs, and ChromaDB for handling the vectorization of the text of our PDF. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download a random PDF. In this case, I'm downloading a PDF that I was reading this morning, and I'm saving to my current folder as paper.pdf. Okay, so now I already have the paper here, so we can take a look. And it's called Learning and Verification of Task Structure in Instructional Videos. Essentially, it's about this really cool model that can learn from instructional videos. Now that I have the paper, I'm going to import my modules. So I'm going to import PyPDF loader for handling the loading of the PDFs, OpenAI embeddings for creating embeddings that allow me to index the information from the PDF, Chroma, which is a vector store and allows me to vectorize the content and then chat with it using the ChatVector chain, and OpenAI for accessing the ChatGPT model. Okay, perfect. Now that I have this, we're going to set up the path for the PDF, and then we're going to load it with the PyPDF loader. Then we're going to load the content from the PDF using the load and split method, and we're going to print the first page of the PDF to our terminal, in this case to Jupyter Notebook and VS Code, so that we see that we succeeded. And as we can see here, this is the abstract of the PDF, so everything checks out. Finally, we're going to create our embeddings with OpenAI embeddings. We're going to set up our vector database using chroma.fromDocuments method. Then we're going to feed it the pages variable, and the pages variable is the result of loading that PDF, so it contains all the PDF content. And we're going to give it the embeddings that we created with the OpenAI embeddings, and we're going to set up the directory where it's going to save the database. Perfect. Now we can create our chat database chain. So ChatVector chain essentially is what allows us to chat with the content from the vector database. We're going to use the frontLM method in order to import the ChatGPT model, and we're going to give it the vector database, and we're going to set up return source documents equal to true. Finally, we can query. So finally, we can query the PDF with a question. In this case, I'm setting up a very simple question. What is video task former, which is essentially the model named in the PDF. And then I'm going to store the result in a in the variable that I created here with the ChatVector chain. So you can see here that I have a chat history, which is an empty string right now, and it's going to store the information from the conversation we're going to have. And then we're going to print the result of the question that we just asked. And there we have it. The video task former is a method for learning step representations through masking in order to predict the correct steps for a given task based on a sequence of video clips. That's awesome. And then if I let's do one thing here. And pretty much that's it. That's how you talk to a PDF using LangChain and ChatGPT. Hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Cheers.